Hello and welcome. You are watching HCN's News Bulletin with me, Riya Narvekar. Let's first look at the headlines. Union Minister Parliamentary Affairs, Coal and Mines Prahlad Joshi says government will find solution to resume mining activity in Goa. Says several meetings are held to find solution for mining in Goa. In order to bring in discipline on roads amendment in Motor Vehicles Act, it will save lives, says Union Minister Parliamentary Affairs, Coal and Mines Prahlad Joshi. The model remains of former Santa Cruz MLA Victoria Fernandez, finally cremated on Monday with full state honor. Now the news in detail. Taking a chance at the Modi government, several leaders including opposition congratulated the 100 days of Modi government in the country. Goa too joined in to mark the achievement of Modi government and tremendous development done in Goa. Joshi recalled the BJP government in the country and its all-round development.
14 elections, first time after 30 years, a single party got the majority, and that was also the first time the non-Congress party got the majority, and sheer because of the performance and the very people-friendly government given by Shri Modi, we could able to come back with more margin of votes, that is the share of vote has increased. For the first time in the country, a non-Congress government got re-elected. Re-elected with the more margin of votes. 2019 elections created a history. No Prime Minister got better vote sharing than his previous one after ruling for the 5 years.
Union Minister Parliamentary Affairs, Coal and Mines Prahlad Joshi said that very shortly government will find a solution to the mining crisis of Goa. He said that several meetings are held and a group has been formed to chalk out solution which is in the Supreme Court. He said that mining issue is across the country as by 2020 major mines are going to be closed.
Very positive about this, and already after I becoming the minister, Honorable Chief Minister had met me, Shri Kamath had met me, and today also he is meeting me. Sawant, I am so sorry. Sawant is meeting me today, and he has met me in Delhi also, and already after his meeting we have formed a GOM. It is a complex issue you know, and the matter has gone up to the Supreme Court. To address this complex issue, how to come out and start the mining activity in Goa, and even it is a problem in the entire country also. By 2020 many mines are going to be closed. So keeping both this in mind, Goa and also the entire country's mining issue is concerned, GOM is formed, and Shri Rajnath Singh ji is the chairman of this GOM, and Home Minister Amit Shah ji is also there in that, and previous Mine Minister Goyal ji is there, I am there, and already we are meeting regularly. Very shortly we are going to arrive at decision, both as far as 2020, the entire mines, some major mines are going to be closed in Karnataka, Odisha and many parts of the country, to address that also, and the already mines which have been closed in Goa, that we are addressing very shortly. I am hopeful of coming out with a positive solution. 18 judgment, this issue became more complex, and at that time there were elections, and in the entire country general elections were going on, And after 2019 election, immediately Mr. Sawant met me, and after meeting, already GOM is formed on the Chief Minister's and the state government request. And GOM has met more than twice, and very shortly we are going to meet once again. And officers are also working very seriously about these issues, and we will come to a conclusion. And previously there was no GOM, there was no senior ministers involved in this. Now all the senior ministers are also involved, and the problem will be solved very shortly.
The JMFC Mapsa on Sunday granted 6 days police custody to swimming coach Surajit Ganguly, who was arrested for allegedly raping a minor trainee. Ganguly, who hails from West Bengal, was arrested by police on Friday at Kashmiri Gate in New Delhi. He was flown to Goa on Saturday midnight and later taken to police station, where the offence has been booked against him.
The accused was on run since the case was filed against him, initially in Rishra police station in Hooghly district of West Bengal, and was later transferred to Mapsa police since the incident took place here. The accused has been booked for rape under relevant sections of IPC, POSCO and Goa Children's Act. The coach was on the run, was travelling through different states before being apprehended in New Delhi. The complaint had mentioned that the incident had happened in Mapsa.
7th night, Mr. Ganguly was brought from Delhi to Goa and shown arrested in this crime, which is registered at Mapsa police station. On the same day, in the morning, he was produced before the Judicial Magistrate First Class at Mapsa, and 6 days remand has been obtained. Presently, he is in police custody. Our investigation is in progress. Any public has got any grievances, any complaints, they can approach Mapsa police or my office. We will take care of the complaint, their grievances.
Video journalist Prakash Gadekar from Mapsa for HCN.
With the arrest of 4 persons, Mainakur Torim police have succeeded in solving the murder of 33-year-old Francisco Carvello, a resident of Manora Raya, whose body was found on the base of the pillar of Old Borim Bridge in Lotlim on September 6th. When the body was sent for post-mortem, it clearly stated that death occurred due to injuries to the kidney and liver.
Police teams scouted the surrounding areas, especially concentrating on the bars, and learned that on the intervening night of September 5 and 6, group of 6 persons were having drinks when Francisco Carvalho arrived at the bar shouting for drinks. His behavior resulted in an argument with the 6 persons having a drink there and ended in a fight where 6 assaulted him with broken bottles, and later he was stabbed. Later they took the body and dumped it under the bridge at Vashi.
मायनापूर तोरी पोलीस स्टेशनान एक केस आम्ही रजिस्टर केल्ली. ती मर्डर केस आम्ही सदर केस रजिस्टर केल्ली आणि आम्ही काल 4 एक्यूज सकाळी फुडें धरलेले आसा. एक विल्टन कुतिनो आणि 3 जाण आसा, आणि अजून 2 जाण मेळपाचे आहा. तांकां शोध घेवपाक चालू आसा.
कित्याक लागून मारलो म्हणटा ती?
कित्याक लागून झगडी, सोऱ्याक लागून झगडी जाल्ली आसा म्हणून ताका मारलो तेंच्यांनी. सोऱ्याक लागून झगडी.
बॉडी खंय मेळ्ळो तुमकां?
बॉडी आमकां ब्रिजाच्या पोंदाक दवरलेली मेळ्ळी.
बोरी ब्रिज.
बोरी ब्रिजाच्या पोंदाक 4थ्या खांब्या कडेन मेळ्ळी.
Video journalist Alfred Fernandez from Margao for HCN.
There was a mad rush at Mapsa near St. Jerome's Church on Saturday to watch the free Dhiro on Saturday. 2 cows which were in the compound of the church starting Dhiro, on seeing its one by, stopped their bikes and cars to watch them fight among them. Watch how it all happened.
ना ती आता वर्षाला ते
The new Motor Vehicle Act with increased fines will come into effect in Goa. The traffic police will start issuing challans with increased amount once it is notified by the state government and if the orders are passed on to the traffic department. DYSP Dharmesh Angle has appealed to people to abide by the traffic rules and be concerned about others while using the roads.
आता ताजेर हांव पळयता हांवें ऑलरेडी न्यू मोटर व्हेकल एक्ट आनी कंपॅरिजन स्टडी हांवें ऑलरेडी डायरेक्टर ऑफ ट्रान्सपोर्ट आनी आमचे ट्राफीक सेल हांकां सांगलां की ते दोनूय कंपॅरिजन स्टडीज कितें आहा पळय तो घेवन यो अकॉर्डिंग टू दॅट देन गव्हर्मेंट वील टेक
So changes can be. हय.
आय गो थ्रू दॅट फर्स्ट देन आय टेल.
ते एक्टानूच तशें बरयल्लें आसा MV एक्ट पळय आसा त्या एक्टान तशें बरयलां की स्टेट गव्हर्मेंट हॅज द पावर्स की आपल्याक जाय त्या प्रमाणे स्टेट गव्हर्मेंट ते फ्रेम करूं शकता. पर्सनल ओपिनियन असो आसा एन एज अ ऑफिसर ऑफ द पुलीस डिपार्टमेंट एन अ ट्राफीक ऑफिसर आय वूड से की ह्यो फायन्स 1988तल्यो फायनी these are outdated fines. We require new laws and new fines and there should be exorbitant fines so that the person who is violating feels the pinch. See, we are not doing it. आमी जे पळय फायन घालता we are not doing it because we don't get any pleasure out of it. We do it because the accidents are taking place on the road. तुम्ही खूप फाटी आमकां क्वेश्चन करता की तुमकां टार्गेट दिल्या काय म्हणून हांव सांगता तुमकां आय हॅव गिवन अ टार्गेट टू माय ऑफिसर. माय टार्गेट इज reduce the accidents on the road. So for that we have to implement the law in such a way ki enforce the law in such a way that it is a deterrent to the violator. बरे रस्ते आसा कळ्ळें न्ही पूण थंय दुसरे भशेनची फायन घालची पडटा. फॉर एग्जाम्पल तुवें पळयलो आसतलो युनिवर्सिटीचो रोड थंय पॉटहोल्स डेवलप जाल्ले ना. द रोड्स आर गुड बट देन देर आर ऑफेन्सीस लायक ओवर स्पीडिंग टेकिंग प्लेस ओवर. ओके सो तुमकां बरे रस्ते दिले जाल्यार ओवर स्पीडिंग जाता. वायट रस्ते दिले जाल्यार लोक हें करता. आय डोंट से दॅट रोड शूड बी बॅड. रोड शूड बी गुड. ओके पॉटहोल्सान जाल्ले आसा सद्या पावसाक लागून एंड वी हॅव गॉट एक्सेसीव रेन. So potholes develop जाल्ले आसा and we have written to the PWD. We are working on that issue. We will get it done. But
Video journalist Abhijit Jadhav from Panjim for HCN.
Now let's take a short break. We'll be back soon. Please stay tuned. Welcome back. There will be high penalties for violating traffic rules in Goa soon. Road traffic accidents cause considerable economic losses to individuals, their families and to nation as a whole. Speaking to media, Union Minister Parliamentary Affairs, Coals and Mines Prahlad Joshi said that the country ranks high in fatal accidents and hence it's necessary to amend the act to save lives.
New Motor Vehicle Act see highest road accident and highest loss of lives are because of the negligence, driving without license. All such things are there. Highest number in the world and even in India, whatever the life loss are happening, the major, I think it is more than 70% is of the road accidents, and because of that, there are two reasons for that. One is the negligence of drivers, and another thing is drink and drive. All such things are there. That's why a major decision in this has been taken, and people who do not violate the law, they will not have any problem.
The mortal remains of former Santa Cruz MLA Victoria Fernandez was cremated on Monday at Santa Cruz Church. Fernandez passed away in a hospital while undergoing treatment. Family, friends and admirers bid an emotional goodbye to their mummy. Thousands of people from all walks of life attended the funeral, while some paid floral tribute to their dynamic leader of the downtrodden.
कळ्ळें सकाळ फुडें की विक्टोरिया फेर्नांडीस म्हणजे आमची मामी आमकां सगळ्यांक सोडून गेली आनी खूब दुख्ख जालें. कारण म्हजो तिजे कडेन खूब लागींचो संबंद. हांव तिजे बरोबर बरोच काळ विधानसभेत सहकारी म्हणून आमी बरोबर काम केल्लें आसा. आनी थोडक्यात तिजें डिस्क्रिप्शन करतलो जाल्यार बॉर्न फायटर, फॉर द डावनट्रोडन, ते बारीक लोकां खातीर इश्यू घेवन सदांच विधानसभेत झगडपी अशी एक बायल मनीस आज आमकां अंतरिल्ली आसा. म्हाका दिसता गोंयचें योगदान, गोंयचे राज्या खातीर तिचें योगदान आमी विसरपाक शकना. ओपिनियन पोल जायत किंवा कोंकणी भास जायत, हाच्या खातीर ती रस्त्यार येवन तिणें जे आंदोलनात भाग घेतला, आंदोलन लीड केलां, ताजे खातीर सगळे जाण तिजो उगडास करतात. आयच्या दिसा हांव देवा कडेन मागतां त्या आत्म्याक शांती मेळची आनी बाब रुडॉल्फ आनी ताचे सगळे फॅमिलीचे मेंबर्स तांकां हो आघात सहन करपाची शक्ती देवाक दिवची.
ती खरेंच खूब वायट दिसता की तिचे बरोबर एक 10 वर्सां एसेंब्लीक म्हाका काम करपाक संदी मेळ्ळी. हांव जेन्ना पयलेच फावटी आमदार जाल्लो तेन्ना ती हावजाक आमदार म्हूण आसली, म्हज्या खूब सिनियर ती, आनी तिच्यान खूब शिकपाक मेळ्ळां की ती जेन्ना हावजाक प्रश्न रेज करी ती फक्त आपल्या मतदारसंघा पुरती मर्यादीत नसलेले, म्हणजे फक्त सांताक्रूज ह्या मतदारसंघातलीच न्ही तर आख्खे गोंयचे प्रश्न ते ती रेज करी. आनी कसलेय कोण सुद्दां गोंयचे लोक सुद्दां तुका मेळपाक येयी की कितें कोणाचे अन्याय जाता की तुजो प्रश्न तुजो इशू रेज करपाक जाय जाल्यार मामी तुमकां मेळपाक येयी. खरेंच सगळ्यांचे आयकून घेवन जे प्रश्न आतां रेज करी. दुसरे तरेन एक तिजेर आनी एक शिकपाक मेळ्ळो म्हाका की हांव जेन्ना पयलोच आमदार जाले उपरांत ती खूब हांव ती लागींच न्ही बसत आनी हांव खूब फावटी तिजे कडेन कितें म्हणजे अडचण बी असले प्रॉब्लेम जाल्यार तिजे कडेन हांव शेअर करी आनी ती सदी एडवायस करी. म्हणजे एक तिका हें आसलें एक मामी म्हणल्यार तिका मामीच अशी म्हणून वागता आसतना ती अशी एक कलीग खरी आमच्या आमदारान आतां पूण एक मामी अशी वागप अशी आवय कशी आसता त्या प्रमाणे कोणाकय जर कित्याक जर डिफिकल्टी आसत आपूण सांगप आपूण उलोवप. म्हणजे एक अशी एक बरी मन मेळो अशी आनी सदींच बारीक मनशां खातीर आपलो आवाज काडपी असेंब्लीक अशें तिणें कार्य केल्लें आसा. हांव तिच्या आत्म्याक शांती मेळची अशी देवा कडेन मागता.
विक्टोरिया फर्नांडीस उर्फ मामी गोंयची सगळ्या लोकांची मामी म्हणपाक काय हरकत ना. माजी मंत्री, माजी उपसभापती, माजी आमदार, 4 फावटी गोंय राज्याच्या विधानसभेत पावपी अशी म्हाका दिसता स्वकर्तृत्वाचेर निवडून येवपी गोंय राज्यांत अशी पयलीच महिला आसतली जिणी स्वताच्या कर्तृत्वाचेर गोंय मुक्ती संग्रामांतल्यान पयलीं पासून कोंकणीच्या चळवळीत आसतले किंवा गोंय घटक राज्याच्या चळवळीत आसतले किंवा आमी म्हणटा की ओपिनियन पोलाच्या बाबतींत आसतले. आपले स्वतंत्र अशें व्यक्तिमत्व महिलांक फुडें काडून ह्या गोंय राज्याक महिला नेतृत्वाच्या चळवळीत दिवपी मामी ही पयली महिला आसतली जिणी महिला नेतृत्व सुरवाती काळा पासून कशें आसचें ताचे फुडें आयलें. आज मामी आमच्यांत ना. आमी पयले फावटी हांव 2012च्या विधानसभेत निवडून आयलो तेच फावटी मामी विधानसभेत नासली. पण मामीच्या बद्दल पयलीं खूब आयकल्लें आनी विशेश करून गोंय राज्याचो विधिकार दिन म्हणजे लेजिस्लेचर डे जेन्ना आसतालो तेन्ना मामीक मेळप मुद्दामून जातालें. मामी खूब लागीं सरून म्हणजे म्हणटाले की तुमी नवे आमदार खूब शिकपाक जाय आनी आपल्याचार जो आसलो तो मामीन खूब मोठ्या प्रमाणात आमकांय दाखयल्लो. घडये ती काँग्रेसींतल्यान निवडून येयल्ली आसत बट तिच्या खातीर आमी म्हणटाले की कितलेशेच लोक ही तिका पार्टी लागनाशिल्ली, कितलेशेच लोक हे तिका आपलेशें दिसताले आनी सदोदीत सगळ्या लोकांक म्हणजे तिणी नेतृत्व जें केलें तें सामान्यांतल्या सामान्य मनशाचें, गरिबांतल्या गरीब मनशाचें म्हणजे मिठागारा पासून ते एखाद्या कामगारा पर्यंत ह्या सगळ्या जाणांक नेतृत्व दिवपाचें काम जें आसा हें मामीन केलें. आनी ताकाच लागून आमी पळयता की पयरच्यान गोंयांतल्या वेगवेगळ्या भागांतले वेगवेगळे लोक हे तिच्या खातीर आर्गां ओंपता. आमी म्हणटा तिच्या आत्म्याक शांती लाभूं हे सगळे जाण मागता. गोंयांतले बऱ्यापैकी महिला नेतृत्व आमी आयज गमयल्लें आसा. म्हाका दिसता तेंच्या पासून गोंयांतल्या कितल्याशाच महिलांनी प्रेरणा घेय सारकें, प्रेरणा दी सारकें कार्य जें आसा हें मामीच्या हातांतल्यान जालां. तांच्या सदांच तांकां दिसतालें की महिलांनी फुडें येवचें, वेगवेगळें काम करचें आनी ह्या मतदारसंघांतली पुराय गोंयांतल्या वेगवेगळ्या भागांतल्या महिलांक फुडें हाडपाचें काम केलें. तेंची प्रेरणा इतर महिलांनी घेवचें. म्हाका दिसता तांच्या आत्म्याक शांती लाभूं गोंय राज्य सरकारच्या वतीन आमी तांकांय स्टेट हॉनर दिवपाचो हांगासर दिलो.
Video journalist Abhijit Jadhav from Panjim for HCN.
The sub 4-meter 7-seater vehicle, the Renault Triber, is launched in Goa. The vehicle is based on the CMF-A platform. The compact 7-seater will be offered in 4 trims: RXC, RXZ, RXT and RXZ, with the latter being the top spec variant. The variants will be spread across manual as well as automatic transmissions.
done earlier, but on 28th of August, just prior to Ganesh Chaturthi, the prices were revealed. But after the prices were revealed, there was people really flocking into our showrooms and visiting us on a daily basis. Like we were starting our day at 9 o'clock in the morning and just closing at around 9 in the evening. Like on a day we had around 40-50 walk-ins in a day, which in this slowdown, a boon in disguise. Because the right time, a right product which could do volumes in Goa has been launched. Secondly, Triber would do good because in Goa we have got extended families. Extended families in the sense like mother, father, and probably like in metros you have nuclear families. In Goa we have got extended families which would actually be of real use for the customers to go and drive. The whole family can come together. And we have done deliveries also prior to this. Like before Ganesh Chaturthi, we have already delivered 6 cars. To keep the same tempo going, Triber of course is something which is there, which will really make us very happy in the festive season to come. Like we have Dussehra first and then the Diwali. So we are expecting good traction in the showrooms, people walking in, and that actually reminds us of the earlier days, maybe around last year or so, maybe 2016 when the other products were launched. So we can see the same positive response from people, and going forward do a good sale.
Video journalist Abhijit Jadhav from Panjim for HCN.
Hundreds of faithful took part in the Feast of Nativity of Mary at St. Thomas Church in Aldona on Sunday. The feast, which is considered to be the birth of Mother Mary, is dedicated to mothers. Devotees took part in the Eucharistic celebration, followed by cultural programs which is dedicated to mothers. Children perform various cultural items like dance skits, thus highlighting the value of mothers.
Beautiful because of the beauty that lies within your hearts. And that is what our children try to bring out through these different songs and action songs and plays. तुमची मुखार दवरता तुमची काळजाची जी शिगूण आसा, तुमच्या शिगुणाक लागून आयज ही भुरगीं ल्हान आसात ती व्हड जातात. तुमच्या काळजाचे शिगूण हांवें सांगपाची गरज ना. कोण भाशेन एक आवय जावन आसा द होल वर्ल्ड फॉर अ चायल्ड. तुमच्या मोगान मोगासान तुम्ही भुरग्याक कुसम्याक लावन ती मोल पासून तुम्ही तांचो सांबाळ करतात. आनी खरेंच आयज जेन्ना आमचे सोयरीचे मायेचो आमी जल्माचो दीस पाळटा तेन्ना हो दीस तुमकांय आमी भेटयता टू ऑनर यू ऑल फॉर वॉट यू आर, फॉर वॉट यू डू. तुमचे उद्देशी आमकां भाग्यवान तयार जाता. A mother can be, so to say, an instrument of building or nurturing criminals as well as saints. And we know how many mothers तांच्या कश्टांक लागून, तांच्या दुखांक लागून, तांच्या त्यागाक लागून, because of the sacrifices, we have so many saints because of the mothers. And Saint Augustine तो म्हणटालो, I am what I am today because of my mother. So, आमच्या जिवितांत तुमी देवाचो खूब महत्वाची आनी आयज तुमकां विमान दिता तेन्ना आमी देवाचो आशिर्वाद तुमचेर एक एकाचेर मागता. जे कार्य, जे विसाव देवान तुमकां ह्या संवसारांत दिलां ते फुडें व्हरून तुमकां बरी भलायकी मागता. आनी ह्याच असल्याच मनान विसरांत दवरचें
That's all we have for now. For more news and entertainment, keep watching HCN. Till then, take care and goodbye.